Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post something on Pinterest. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Pinterest app on your mobile device. Now once you come here, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now over here you can see a bunch of various options. Simply tap on the option of pin. With that, your gallery will be opened. Now simply choose a photo, or you can even choose as much as photo you wish to post. You can also post videos as well. Now after selecting the photos you want to upload, simply tap on next at the top right. Now over here you can change or add in details according to your choice. So now let's add in the title of our post. You can also write in the description and also add your link here. You can also tap on pick a board and then select a board where you want to post this. You can also create a new board if you wish to. Now let's go back. Now you can make the changes you wish to and then tap on create at the bottom right corner. Now let's wait for some time. And you can see that your pin has been posted. Now just go to your Pinterest profile and then simply go to pins. Now over here you can see the photo that you have recently posted. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to post on Pinterest. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.